Talking to a boy. M. Mister. Will you help me, my boy? S. Yes, sir. Why not? M. Thanks. S. Anything more? No, please. Okay. What is your name? I am Ahmed. What do you do? I study, uncle. In which school do you study? Not in a school, but in a college. Very good. In which class do you study? I am in BA first year. In what college do you study? I study in ATT High School. It is very famous school. Yes, it is. But why it is called ATT school? I don't know that. How far is the college from your school? Nearly 10 kilometer. Then it must be taking you a long time to reach there, your college. Yes, sir. At least an hour. At least 1 hour. Do you go to school, your college on foot? Do you go to your college on foot? Yes, I do. How many students are there in your college? Nearly 2000. And teachers? Nearly about 50. Near about 50. It is quite a big staff. Yes, it is. Do you play any games? Yes, I play cricket. Okay, young boy. I wish you the best of luck. ये थी प्रैक्टिस। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आई होगी। इसका तर्जुमा अगर आपको नहीं समझ रहा होगा तो आपको पिछली वीडियो देखनी चाहिए। इंशाल्लाह आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा।